Hi there, Sean here from Circuit Energy, and I'm here at one of our project sites where we delivered a 1 megawatt solar system for this industrial customer in Woodbridge, Ontario. Aside from the incentives that are available covering up to 50% of the cost of the project, solar system is a great way to hedge against the volatilities that we've recently seen in the energy markets. You see, energy management has historically been a kilowatt problem. But with the imbalances that we have seen in the recent years in the supply and demand on the grid, kilowatt hour has also become a challenge and a point of concern for many customers. We at Circuit Energy implement projects where we help customers minimize their exposure to the rising cost of electricity. So give us a call today and I'll have one of my engineers sit down and walk you through all the opportunities that you might be leaving on the table and staying competitive in your industry.